Yo, dudes, the Empire's pretty chill. Maybe you could, like, join it or something.
I think it's time someone taught you how to use your head. So you threw the prince out so you and Megatron could rule the world together.
Optimus! Looks like I got here just in time. I like to make a dramatic entrance. Here, head into the service ducts. They should lead to the lower prison levels. That's probably where Zeta's being held. Not to be rude, but we are on a tight timeline here. Seriously, they're gonna break that door down any minute. Let's move already! Good luck!
You're too late, Starscream! Stratosphere is ready to leave with the mech deck. If you want what's left, you'll have to catch me first. Follow me, Starscream, and I'll bury you in these mountains!
This is Air Raid. What is the situation? Understood. We have several mech that are not loading up. We'll build traps for any cons that show up. Plus, Breakaway has joined us and he's over there loading mech into Stratosphere. Thank you, Hound. We'll meet you in Washington tomorrow. We're good to go. Bail out. Ah! My wing! It's gonna...